Assalamu alaikum, everyone. We can start our lecture. I also appreciate to everyone who to join with the Live Spoken English. Okay, we can start the lecture. Can anyone tell me what was the last class? Can anyone tell me what was the last
About
class?
12.
Tense, 12 tenses. Okay, okay. It's okay. আমরা 12 tense করেছি. Today we will discuss uh, subject verb agreement. Subject verb agreement. Today we will discuss subject verb agreement. Okay. Uh, Before starting the class, I also request to everyone to introduce yourself. Let me go to Shan. Shan.
My name is Mohammad Mahir Labib Khan. I live in Manising. I read in class 8 at Manising High School. I'm also a student of Deep Spoken English.
Thank you. Let me go to Mim.
I am Mim. I live in sorry. I am Mim. I live at Kutiadi in Kisharganj. I am a student of Live Spoken English.
Let me go to Mahi.
I am Mahia Jannat Mahi. I live at Nandal in Mymensingh. I am a student of Kishoreganj Government Mahila College. I am also a student of Glib Spoken English.
Okay, thank you. Your presentation is so nice. I think you are improving in English. ঠিক আছে. Are you enjoying the English? Are you enjoying?
Yes.
Yes, I am enjoying in English. In speaker in start. I am sharing my laptop screen. Can you watch my laptop screen? What I have shared with you? Can you watch? Today
Yes, I
topic
can.
should be subject verb agreement. Subject verb agreement. So, this is the review class. Subject verb agreement এর কাছে if the subject is singular, verb will be singular. If subject is plural, verb will be plural. অর্থাৎ এক কথা you can say যদি আপনার সাবজেক্ট সিঙ্গুলার হয় verb will be singular, verb হবে singular. If subject is plural, verb will be plural. I এর সাথে সবসময় am হবে, have হবে, was হবে. I am a student. I was a student. অর্থাৎ হি, সি, রহিম, করিম তাহলে ইজ, হ্যাজ অথবা was হবে। এরপরে উই দে প্লোরাল, ইউ প্লোরাল, উই এর সাথে সবসময় আর হবে। উই হ্যাভ, উই ওয়ার, দে হ্যাভ, দে ওয়ার, ইউ ওয়ার। দিস, ইটের সাথে ইট ইজ, দিস ইজ, ইট হ্যাজ, দিস হ্যাজ, ইট ওয়াজ, দিস ওয়াজ। ঠিক আছে।